Hello and welcome to Marbled Paper Holiday Cards. My name is Yvonne and I am a librarian with LA County Library. Today we are using a really neat technique to make marbled paper, perfect for customized holiday greeting cards or other personalized stationery. It's one of my favorites because it's a simple craft with a big impact. We will need a few basic supplies you probably already have at home. A shallow container could be Tupperware, a baking dish, a pie tin, something large enough to fit your piece of paper. If you want to make cleanup easier and you're using small paper plates are a good option. Shaving cream, food coloring, a toothpick, a chopstick, a blunt pencil, an old pen, a skewer, anything with a pointed tip. White cardstock for cards, or any type of plain white paper. A few pieces of cardboard to use as scrapers. Paper towels or other cleaning cloths just in case things get messy. And optional markers for decorating. To begin, we will spread a thin layer of shaving cream in your container. Using your cardboard scraper, smooth the shaving cream out until you have a nice flat surface. Now comes the fun part. Choose any colors you would like to use for your marbled design, dropping dots of each color on the shaving cream. Next, grab your pointy item and drag it through the food coloring dots to create a swirled pattern. Try to avoid mixing it too much or you might get a muddy effect. Press your blank sheet of paper evenly across the top of the shaving cream and remove. It might not look like much at first, but using your cardboard scraper, gently scrape off the shaving cream and see the swirly magic appear before your eyes. Set the paper aside to dry completely before cutting it or folding it into the desired size for your holiday greeting card. It's very simple to make cards for any holiday. It would be so pretty to do a blue marbled card for Hanukkah, a traditional red and green for Christmas, or black, red, and green Kwanzaa swirls. If you are using a very basic set of food coloring with only red, blue, and yellow primary colors, you may need to experiment with mixing some of the colors. Red and blue, for example, for purple, or blue and yellow, for example, for green. You can always go back after the paper is dry and decorate the card with extra colors, messages, drawings, or a dusting of glitter. Are you in the mood for more holiday fun? With your library card and PIN number, you can access all kinds of movies, ebooks, music, and audiobooks on Hoopla. The best part is you don't have to leave the comfort of your home and you can immediately access titles without being on a wait list. Visit our website at lacountylibrary.org. Select Digital Library and Hoopla on the left side under Explore. There is a search box at the top where you can filter either by item type or search everything to explore the variety of media available on Hoopla. We hope you enjoyed marbled paper holiday cards. Click the link in the description for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.